Pero another, dahil because we're all human beings, kinakabit namin yung mukha nyo, personality nyo, pangalan nyo, doon sa trabaho nyo. And syempre, di ba, tao lang din naman tayo, it's very hard when we separate after the program. Di ba? Yun yung malungkot na parte. Pero siguro, that's the reality, kaya nga siya internship program. For some, and I do hope, like if you're interested, we will be able to absorb you. So it goes both ways. But also the other reality would be we can't absorb everyone because we wouldn't have the internship program kung i-absorb lang din namin lahat. Tama ba? Eventually, we will just, wala na po na kasi na-absorb namin so we can create any more slots for the upcoming intern. So that's hindi naman both bittersweet, di ba? Wala namang, para sa akin, everything's an opportunity. Regardless if it's like, you don't feel good about it, it's always an opportunity because it's an opportunity to move on, to find other opportunities, to learn from somebody else, and to really grow not only from one company but from a lot of companies. So, ang tinatry namin gawin nila Sean, and we're still like really trying our best kasi kakabalik ko pa lang. We really want to establish the tech internship community of the Philippines. Pang ilang batch na sila, Sean? 8. Baliktad yung content mo kasi walang nakikinig sa akin. Pastor na may dalang speaker, tapos ginaaron ko kay lahat. So we're trying to create this community, Sean, and siguro kung sa kanya si Sean maya after niya mo content. We're trying to create a community kasi alam namin temporary lang tayo lahat. Pero hopefully we can make the community sustainable. Not only your relationship with us, but your relationship with each other. And hopefully during the short period of time, you've been able to build relationships with each other habang nandito kayo sa loob ng company, di ba? May opportunity ba kayo to get to know each other o walang pansinan dito? Baka magkakaaway pa ng mga schools niyo tapos may opportunity ba to get to know each other? Meron wala? Meron wala? Paano kayo nakikikapitan na lang? Sa bus.
Candle daw.
Okay. So, we create that community. Siguro, anong suggestion nyo? Discord? Anong trip nyo? Discord, Facebook group, hindi naman community app ang mga TikTok at YouTube. Anong suggestion nyo? Like, what's a good?
Discord.
Discord na lang? Parang kung wala ka pang trabaho, nakababad ka lang doon. Pero ito na tayo! Lumabas ka na sa trabaho mo, wala na akong magawa dito maghapon. So let's do that in Discord. And siguro may isang short talk na sasabihin sa inyo. I'll tell you about the power of networking. Gusto nyo a little bit of talk? Sino ba rin mga madali dito? Baka kailangan mo may 4 p.m. ba sila? 4 p.m. yung club sila?
Kung gusto nila.
4 p.m. Sige. Yung kailangan kumain sa 4 p.m. Sorry. Baka hinahanap kami ng jowa nyo sa baba. Balik na. Baka yung jowa mo nandun sa baba. Basta kung malilito pa. Nalilito pa yung hihiwalay ito. O diba? At yung sumusundo sa inyo, babae ganun. Babae na naghihintay ngayon. Wait, baka may kailangan na mauna? Hindi naman? Okay lang?
Ikaw, Sir.
Okay. So, lesson week, tama? Taas na mga lesson week boys. Actually, namumukhaan ko pa iba sa inyo. Kaya si Ezekiel, tsaka si... Ano pa ano?
Peanut.
Binat.
Mani, peanut.
Peanut ba? Kala ko na, peanut eh. Kaya naka-hoodie eh. Medyo nilalamig na konti. Okay, and then mga around a month, and then siguro more than a month. I'll tell you about the power of networking in your life. Show fans pala sa age, gusto ko lang makakita yung edad nyo. Okay.
So sasabihin natin, TICP is Tech Internship Community of the Philippines. Let's go! TICP. Yung ko sa harapan. Ay dito ka, hindi. Para kita lang. Compress. Asing compress. Kita ba lahat? Hindi, sasabi ko, TICP is... sample TICP is... Tech Internship Community of the Philippines. Teka. Ngayon na unang mag-celebrate sa likuran eh. Isa pa ulit. TICP, tapos sasabi ko, TICP is Tech Internship Community of the Philippines. Let's go! Okay.
Guys, lakasan.
Oh, huy. So TICP is Tech Internship Community of the